Erie firefighters are handing out free smoke and carbon monoxide fire detectors to Erie residents. For the next 3 days, Erie firefighters are passing out those smoke and carbon monoxide detectors starting at 8 a.m. through May 28th. Erie County residents who live in a home are eligible for these devices. Each family can pick up 2 free detectors. One Erie fire inspector says 30 years ago, people had more than 15 minutes to get out of the room before it became fully involved in fire. He says today, it's more important than ever to have these life-saving devices in your home.
Nowadays, you only have up to 3 minutes because of the different materials that everything is made out of. You have more plastics in your house, more foam, stuff like that. So a room will become fully involved in fire a lot quicker than it would have, 20 or 30 years ago.
Firefighters will hand out detectors until they run out on Saturday, May 28th.